morning. My name is Fashi Raphael Ibu, an expert. I want to show you something very quickly. I created this sales page for a client called Bufag World Concept. Now, this sales page will enable you to display your product to your client, even if you do not have a website yet. And this is very superb. I did this with my smartphone. So, I want to show you how you can do this by yourself with your smartphone. Also, teach others and make times 10 of the money you're going to invest in this training. Now, this training will just go for 2,000 naira this morning, because I'm very sure if I show you how you can do this on your own, you can teach over 100 people and make more than what you are going to invest in it. So it's very simple. This is very unique. Even if you don't have a website, you can actually display your product and your clients will order. They will reach you, also connect with you and buy what you're selling. Now, for just 2,000 naira, you will get this. Now, how do we get this? You have to slide into my DM and ask for how you can make payment. You can see the features, home, the gallery, and others. So you can do this and teach others. This will go for just 2,000 naira this morning. After this morning, I will sell my course for 5,000 naira, and you just have to pay because you need it. And also, you have to make money in this pandemic. So you have to take the opportunity and teach others and make your money. Don't miss out. Slide into my DM now and ask for more. Thank you.